Roots of democratic values in India. So, Prime Minister in Man Ki Baat spoke about the democracy which is a part of our lives since the ancient times. So, he also mentioned some of the institutions and practices which are the best examples and sources of democracy in the ancient times. So here the first one is Uttara Merur inscription. So this inscription tells about the election system conducted by Cholas and tells about the qualifications and disqualifications in the election system. So a person who is contesting in elections should be above 35 years and below 70 years of age and should have own land and own house legally and should have knowledge on mantra brahmana. So, if he accepts any bribe or occupies others' property illegally, then that person is disqualified from elections. So, this is the election process according to this Uttara Merur inscription. Next is Anubhava Mantapa of Lord Basaveshwara. So, it is one of the earliest parliament in the history of mankind. So, here in this, the parliament members are picked up or nominated by the higher authorities. So it is like a form of parliamentary democracy. So in this, Prabhudeva, who is a great yogi, was the president, and Lord Basava, who is a famous social religious reformer, and he wrote Vachana literature, and he is the main person in the Lingayat movement. So he is the prime minister. Next is Kakatiya tradition. So under this Kakatiya tradition, election system, a form of local government election system, was followed for installation and maintenance of tanks, canals, and reservoirs. So an elected committee was formed, and under this the local self government is run under this Kakatiya tradition. Next is Bhakti movement. So this movement propagated the right to equality, secularism, equality of opportunity, promotion of welfare of the people. So all these rights are being propagated during this movement. Next is Atharva Veda. So this Veda tells about the Sabha and Samiti, the two forms of assemblies which are mentioned, also represent today's Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Next is Buddhist and Jain texts tells about the Republic Lichavi states. So it is a form of independent or republic state. Next is in Mahabharata also republics or republic areas are mentioned. In Aitreya Brahmana, the word Swarajya is mentioned. In Dharma Shastras also, respect and care for the people is specially mentioned. In Atharva Veda, basic necessity rights for food and water for all the human beings is given. And in Smritis, Puranas, and Vedic Samitis, talks about dharmas, protection of rights of the people, unitary and federal form of government concepts have been present. Next, coming to the Kautilya's Ardhashastra. So this talk about differentiating public works into different portfolios like defense, revenue, and agriculture ministries, etc. Coming to this democratic tradition among the tribals of Northeast. So in Northeast, Monabs and Adi tribes of Arunachal Pradesh established a democratic self-government system in the 11th century itself. The Naga tribes follow responsible authority of being a chief. So the chief of the Naga tribes is very responsible and maintains all the things. So all these are the historical facts about the ancient democratic principles.